Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a devil's food cake. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Grease 3 8-inch round cake pans. Line each pan with a circle of parchment paper and set them aside for now. Then chop up the unsweetened chocolate and add it into a small bowl and pour the boiling water on top of it. Let it sit for a minute to let the water melt the chocolate. Then whisk them until they're well combined and set it aside for now. Then into a sifter, set over a medium bowl, add in the cake flour and salt and sift them into the bowl. Whisk to combine and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the softened butter and beat it with an electric mixer on medium speed until it's smooth. Gradually add in the sugar while beating. Then continue beating it on medium speed for another 5 minutes. Add in the egg yolks one at a time. Make sure they're at room temperature. Mixing well after adding each one. Add in the dry ingredients and sour cream or yogurt that's at room temperature. And mix it on low speed until they're just combined. Then add the baking soda into the chocolate mixture. Whisk to combine. Then add it into the rest of the mixture a little at a time, mixing just until combined after adding each addition. Then mix it by hand to combine all the ingredients. Then into a clean separate medium bowl, add in the egg whites. If you're using the same mixing bowl that had the dry ingredients in it before, it has to be washed and dried because the egg whites will not whip up well if the bowl is dirty. Then whip it with an electric mixer with clean beaters until they're foamy. Gradually add in the sugar while whipping. Then continue whipping until the egg whites form soft peaks. Then add it into the batter and fold them in until they're just combined and there's no more streaks of white, but don't overmix the batter. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared pans. And bake them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool on a cooling rack for 10 minutes. Then what I like to do to keep the cakes extra moist is to cover them in plastic wrap while they're still warm so it traps the steam. Then leave them to cool completely. While they're cooling, you can make whatever frosting you like. I'm using my best ever chocolate buttercream frosting, which I showed how to make in a previous video, and I'll put a link to it in the description box. Once the cakes are completely cooled, remove them from the pans. Then frost and decorate them however you like. I have many videos showing how to frost and decorate a cake, and I'll put a link to my playlist in the description box. And that's how to make a devil's food cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like, and check out my channel for many more videos, and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.